One of the BalanceFrom GoYoga series product. Set of 2 high-density blocks. Each block dimension, 9-inch width by 6-inch high by 4-inch D. Slip-resistant surface prevents slipping and sliding during use, round edges for a comfortable, steady grip. Moisture-proof material keeps bacterial away. Deepens, elongate your stretches and aligns your posture perfectly, fit for all fitness levels. Perfect for on the go, in the studio and gym, or at home use. Made of high density and sturdy foam for long-lasting durability. Easy to clean with soap and water and they will be as fresh as new. All genuine BalanceFrom products are covered by a 100% BalanceFrom satisfaction guarantee and 2-year BalanceFrom warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Good value. Does its job. I ordered the red-colored BalanceFrom yoga blocks. Upon receiving, I hoped they'd match my red mat, but they are lighter red, not a big deal. They are quite soft, and perfect for my body weight, 170 pounds. I've used much harder density foam for yoga blocks in the past and these feel much nicer. They do the job and was a great value on Prime Day. Would recommend.